After the bananas are harvested, the pseudostems that once supported them become the raw material for sustainable fiber. The heavy pseudostems are cut into sections right in the field to prepare them for transport. Once sectioned, the waste stems are loaded for the short journey to the processing facility. The harvested stems leave the plantation, beginning their transformation from waste into valuable fiber. These once discarded stems now head toward the facility where modern machinery awaits. At the facility, the raw stems are prepared for the first stage of industrial processing.
Easy now! Stack them straight! Next one coming!
The journey from field to fiber extraction is now underway inside the plant. Once inside the facility, the pseudostems begin their controlled journey through the processing lines. Transport systems move the heavy material efficiently toward the first cleaning stage. The stems. The stems are submerged to loosen fibers and remove initial field debris.
After initial soaking, the material is lifted out for further sorting and preparation.
Loose bark and dirt are removed by hand to ensure only quality material proceeds. Only the highest quality sections move forward to the fiber extraction process. The core transformation begins as the stems enter the mechanical fiber extraction stage. The facility's main entry leads directly into the heart of the fiber processing operations. Workers move through the entry while the material flows continuously overhead. Safety checks complete, the team returns to oversee the initial cleaning processes. High-volume water systems begin removing remaining field residue from the stems.
Keep the pressure steady on these layers. Got it, peeling off well.
Manual finishing ensures only clean, usable fiber-rich material advances. The prepared stems now enter the heart of the mechanical extraction process. Mechanical decortication separates the valuable long fibers from the waste pulp.
The raw fibers receive their first thorough rinse to remove residual pulp.
Excess water and impurities drain away as the fibers begin to dry. Fibers are evenly distributed for careful manual sorting. Only the longest and strongest fibers are selected for further processing.
This one looks good. Yes, strong enough.
Controlled drying prepares the fibers for the next mechanical stages.
Once cooled and fluffed, the fibers are ready for alignment and cleaning.
Carding aligns the fibers into a clean, uniform web ready for spinning. Drewing combines and elongates the fibers into a consistent silver for further processing.
The silver is now transformed into roving, ready for yarn spinning.
In the spinning hall, the roving is drawn out and twisted into strong banana fiber yarn. The result is continuous banana fiber yarn wound neatly onto bobbins. Multiple strands are plied together to create yarn strong enough for textile production. The banana yarn now moves to the knitting lines where fabric will be created. Circular knitting transforms the yarn into soft, breathable banana fiber fabric. The knitted fabric is thoroughly inspected and prepared for precise cutting. Automated cutters shape the fabric into precise panels for underwear construction.
The individual panels. The individual panels move to the sewing lines for assembly.
Skilled sewing assembles the panels into the basic form of women's underwear. Elastic components provide the comfortable fit essential for everyday wear. Final details transform the basic garment into ready-to-wear sustainable underwear. Every garment now undergoes rigorous quality control and laboratory testing. Automated vision systems now scan every garment for consistency and quality. Only perfect garments continue. Any flaws are automatically removed. Automated washing ensures the banana fiber fabric feels soft against the skin. Controlled drying preserves the strength and softness of the banana fiber. Automation handles repetitive folding with consistent precision. Laboratory instruments verify strength, stretch, and skin-friendly properties.
Elasticity is within optimal range. This one passes. No issues.
Agreed. The metrics look good. Only garments that pass every test proceed to final finishing.
Sending this batch to packaging now.
Precision stations add the final decorative and branding touches. Steam finishing ensures a professional, wrinkle-free appearance.
Hand finishing guarantees every detail meets premium standards.
Banding organizes each piece for efficient final packaging. Cartons are carefully packed to protect the delicate banana fiber garments. Accurate labeling communicates the sustainable story of each garment. Pallets are prepared for secure wrapping and storage. Random samples undergo final laboratory verification before release.
Durability tests confirm the fibers withstand everyday use.
Wash tests verify color retention and shape stability after laundering. Elastic recovery ensures long-lasting comfort and fit. Softness and skin compatibility tests complete the laboratory checklist.
Softness score 4.2, pH 5.8, approved.
With every test passed, the batches receive final clearance for distribution. Cleared products now enter the final storage and dispatch phase. Pallets are systematically stored in the climate-controlled warehouse.
Clear left, go forward. Easy now, down.
Orders trigger retrieval for outbound shipment preparation.
Perfect, on the conveyor.
Secure wrapping protects the garments during transit. And this is how modern factories produce women's underwear from banana plant waste from start to finish.